Bonjour tout le monde. Good day, everyone. Je suis Arpita Garg. I am Arpita Garg. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les mois de l'année. Today, we are going to learn the months of the year. Basically, mois, M-O-I-S, mois means month, okay? And année means year. So, just like in English, we have the months of the year, January, February, March, and so on. Similarly, we have the same 12 months in French also. Okay. The only difference is of spelling as well as pronunciation. So in this video, we are going to learn how to call the different months of the year in French. Let us begin. First, we have January. Surely you all know all the 12 months of the year in English, right? So the first month which we have is January, and in French it is Janvier. Jan, Janvier, V-I-E-R. Repeat it, Janvier. Always remember the sound of A-N in French is on, okay? And J in French is je, okay? So it is Janvier, okay? The next month which we have is February, and it is Février. What is it? Février. You can see here in Février on E, on the second E, an accent is there. And when such an accent is placed on E, the pronunciation is A. Okay, so it is Février. So we had Janvier, then Février. Next we have March. Okay, March in French is Mars. What is it? Mars. M-A-R-S, Mars. Okay, so what did we just learn? We learned the 3 months. Répétez après moi. Janvier, très bien, Février, Mars. Okay, moving on to the next, we have April. In French, it is avril. A is A in French, right? So April in French is avril. You have to learn the spellings, okay? And once you learn the spellings, you will be able to pronounce them easily. Avril, okay? Then we have May. May in French is same, which is May, but spelling is different. In English, we have M-A-Y, while in French, we have M-A-I. But the pronunciation will be the same. It is May. Bravo. Next, we have June. June in French is Juin. Listen again. Juin. J is je in French and I-N is an. So we have Juin. Okay. So what did we learn just now? April is very good. April. May is May. And June is Juin. Let us first repeat all the 6 months. Then we will proceed further. So we had very good Janvier, Février, Mars, Avril, May, Juin. Très bien. Okay. Now moving on to the next, we have July. And July in French is Juillet. First of all, it will be Juillet and not Juillet. The sound of T will not be there. Okay. So we have Juillet. And second thing, the sound of ILL in French is ear. So we have not Juillet. No, it is Juillet. Okay. And we know that the sound of J is je as in juin. Okay. So it is not Juillet. It is Juillet. Répétez après moi. July in French is Juillet. Okay. Next we have August. August in French is août. Listen again. It is août. Okay. Très bien. Next we have September. The spelling of September in French will be the same as that in English. Only ER will be reversed. Okay. And the pronunciation will be septembre. What it will be? Septembre. First of all, P will not be pronounced. And second, the sound of EM is O. So it is septembre. Répétez. Septembre. Très bien. So we did July is juillet, August is août, and September is septembre. Okay, so we did 9 months till now. We'll just repeat and then move on to the next 3. So we had, keep on saying yourself, janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre. Okay, now moving on to the next, we have October, and October in French is octobre. What is it? Octobre. Okay, then we have November. November in French is novembre. I already told you, that the sound of EM is on. So it is novembre. Okay, and you can see there's just a slight change in the spelling. Okay, and last month which we have is December, and December in French is décembre. Again, you can see the spelling is the same, only ER is reversed, and we have an additional accent in décembre, right? So we have octobre, répétez, octobre, novembre, and décembre. Okay, very good. So what we did today was the 12 months of the year. We'll just once again repeat, because pronunciation is very, very important in French. Okay. So first we had janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, and lastly we have décembre. Très bien. Excellent. So that was all for today. In today's video, we learned about the 12 months of the year. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. À bientôt.